Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. This time I got the HASEGAWA kit number X725, which is the US aircraft weapon loading set in 70-second scale. As you can see from the box, this kit is quite old. I think it dates back to 1985 and I got it from the flea market, I think, so it was quite cheap. And I thought about building this while I'm waiting for some decals for my Sukhoi Su-27, which is nearly finished, but close to the finishing line I destroyed these numbers here in the front, so I have to get new ones. And while I'm waiting for that, I thought about building this weapon loading set. It is for US aircraft, but I don't really care about that because I guess also Ukrainians and other nations are using tractors and lift trailers and stuff like that. So yeah, let's just start with the box. So yeah, the front of the box is quite packed. You can already see what's inside. Of course the aircraft and weapons are not included, but the figures are. And here on the side you can also see what's inside. You got a Ford tractor, a hydraulic lift trailer, an ammo trailer, a general purpose trailer, a drop tank, dolly and a lift truck. And on the other side you can see the other kits from HASEGAWA, some ground equipment, missiles, bombs and stuff like that. Now let's take a look inside. Here we have the manual and these are still inside the plastic, so let's start with the manual. The print is quite old, as you can see. There are no colors, it's just black and white, but that's not a problem. Yeah, here are some basic safety instructions like always, and here are the building instructions. Okay, it starts up here with the Ford tractor. Then you got the MJ1 lift truck and this general purpose dolly, an ammunition trailer, up here the hydraulic lift trailer and also the ground crew and another guy up here. Here are the colors that you will need. Yeah, it's quite packed, but I don't think that it will be too difficult because there are not a lot of parts. And here on the back side you can also see the painting guide and also the guide for the decals. Again, the tractor, the lift truck, a trailer and the ammunitions trailer. And over here the general purpose dolly and this dolly for the drop tank. Alright, there we go. I already nearly lost the part. I guess this is some kind of axis of the tractor, I guess. But I don't know for sure. Then we got some more safety instructions and how to build all this. Yeah. Alright, and here we got the decals. Not a lot of them, but they look like they're of high quality. Even though this kit is so old. We got some kind of number plates and markings for the vehicles, and I guess these are some dials for the tractor. Alright, and now for the actual parts. I think this is the lift truck up here. You can even see the pedals down here, which is quite nice. I hope you can see that. Looks relatively detailed to me, not bad. And all the hinges and stuff like that. And a steering wheel, I guess. So this looks quite good. Then on this second sprue we find the figures. Also not that bad for a kit that's from the 80s. Here are a couple of wheels and another figure and some more figures. I don't don't know what he's doing. He has a hole in his stomach. I guess he's pushing one of those trailers, but it looks quite funny. And another guy which is missing a leg, but it's done here. And some more wheels. Yeah, looks good. And the third sprue, this is the tractor. There isn't a lot of detail in here, but the wheels look quite good. And also where is it? Here, the engine looks quite nice and detailed. Made in Japan. And here is the front of the tractor with the Ford description. And some more parts of the tractor. Looks quite good to me. This kit is quite cheap if you can find it nowadays. But yeah, the details could be better, but for this price it's completely fine. So I will start off building this, and I hope to finish my Sukhoi very soon, so I can put it close to the loading set. That should look quite nice. So thanks for watching, stay tuned for the full build review of the Sukhoi 27, and have a nice day, bye!